Majagua and Kadra are two communities in Hadejia local government area that are worst affected by the flood. Residents of the two communities tell AIT the impact of the flood on them.
The water flow has affected our community, and we are all doing all we can to control it. And we are also calling on the government to help us with bags of sands and canoe.
There have also been loss of livelihoods. This is despite measures taken by some members of the communities in Guri local government area, most of whom are farmers. This is how the flood surged its ways through the communities, sweeping all it can carry along.
See how the water is moving down in the community, washing away farms worth millions of naira. People in Jigawa state have been facing this problem for the past 1 month. Also calling on the federal government and philanthropists to help them with bag of sand and also canoes so that they can be able to reach down to the affected communities in their areas.
Leaders of the affected communities are calling on the state and federal government to come to their aid with fears of disease outbreak increasing as access to clean water becomes difficult.
We are calling on NEMA and all the relevant stakeholders to come to our aid by providing a canoe and bags of sands for us so that our people can have access to places where they can at least buy something to eat.
So far, flooding in Jigawa state has reportedly claimed 22 lives. Yasser Adamu, AIT News, Jigawa.
AIT.live. On air, online.